It's a Friday morning when I'm filming this, and I came into my bedroom to get dressed to find a pair of socks, basically, and I'll show you the mess of socks I have. If you could assign a collective noun to my sock collection, it would be a mess of socks, kind of like a flock of birds or a herd of cattle, a mess of socks. So here's what they looked like on my bed before I started sorting them. Look at this. These are my socks. I pulled all my socks out of my underwear drawer, and I have, I don't know how many pair, at least I'd say 30 or 50. And I'm gonna sort through them, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do after I've sorted them, how I'm going to deal with this mess. These are my, I'll call them winter socks because they're heavier and they're kind of like not knee-high, but calf-high socks that I wear when I feel like it's cold enough, which isn't very often here. But let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 pair of winter socks. I'm probably going to keep all these because I like them. They fit. I have heavy thigh calves, and my feet are not small either. So some socks just don't work, but these all fit and they feel good, so I'm keeping them. So yes, I'm going to keep that collection of 19 winter socks, but these are the ones I'm going to keep in my drawer. And these are the ones I'm going to put in a box in my closet or in a drawer somewhere separate, so that I just use up these first when they get thin and out of shape and whatever. I can throw them away or put them in the rag bag, and then I can grab a couple pair of these as needed. Okay, these are new looking socks that I haven't probably even worn. These 3 pair right here, 1, 2, 3, are Bombas. And they tend to run small, evidently, because they squish my feet and my fat calves. So I am going to take all of these and see if a friend wants them. If they don't, I'll ask a different friend, because they're great socks, and there's a pair of tights there too, and some of these kind of things with the little grippers on the bottom, which drive me crazy. I can't wear them. So one way or another, I'm going to get rid of these. They just don't work for me. Darn it. Here's my collection of ankle socks, and I wear these a lot in the summer, you know, with my shoes. They're great for walking. They're not as hot as, you know, socks that come up higher on your calves. I think I counted 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes. So I'm going to keep all these, but I'm only going to put a few in my drawer, and the rest are going to go in to a separate box or drawer with the other winter socks. These are more summer socks, but I don't need this many out all at once. I'm going to use the ones that are more worn out first, and then I will get rid of them as they are done. And the last group, I have 13 pair of ankle socks, and a little bit higher, not really the winter socks, just kind of calf, come up on my calf a little bit. And these are all dirty. They're stained. I don't bleach my clothes. So, as you can see, they're very discolored. I'm going to put these all in my drawer and use them at least once, probably twice or 3 times, wash them, wear them again, get rid of them. Because as you can see, I have plenty of socks. I don't need to really hoard these things. I have a problem letting go of stuff, even my dirty old socks. Here are 6 more pair of socks. This pair right here, a friend made for me. I love them, so I don't wear them because I don't want them to fall apart. I've worn them, and they're wonderful. They're nice and heavy, hand knitted, but I'm going to keep them because I really like them. This pair and this pair are brand new. I've never worn them. I might have worn these once. They look a little dingy, but they're so soft and, you know, fluffy. And I don't know about you, but I have a problem sometimes with nice stuff or things that are pretty or different. I don't want to wear it because I might ruin it, which is just silly. So I think I'm going to put these in my drawer and just wear them. These and these are weird ones. They've got toe spacer things. I don't know. I don't know why I have those. I'm pretty sure I've never worn them. And then these two pair are like to wear with dress shoes type things, which I never do. So I should get rid of those two pair. But probably these two are going to go in the drawer just so I can see them once in a while. These I'll wear, these I'll get rid of, and I'm probably going to get rid of those too. I thought I was done. Then I looked over at my nightstand. I had put this pile of socks. Oh my gosh, this is 23 pair of socks. Yes, I looked at my notes. 23. And some of them are adorable, like these kitty cats. And these red and white striped ones. But most of them are just plain old socks, and I can't get rid of them because they're fine. But most of these are going to go in the drawer with the extra heavy winter socks and the ankle socks that I have too many of because I have a problem. No more sock buying for me. Not for years. And last but not least, actually these are least. These are, especially this white one that used to be white. These are all strays. They do not have a mate. And I'm going to put them in the rag bag. First, I'm going to cut the sole of them so that they are damaged, so I don't put them back in my sock drawer by some fluke. So, I'm getting rid of 3 socks. Woohoo! I cut them so that I will not put them back in my sock drawer by any chance. This is my underwear drawer with just the socks in it. And this is a more manageable way to do my collection of socks. Just use a few at a time, get rid of them as they're disgusting, and then I have room here for other garments. Yeah. Do you have too many socks? Maybe you have too many pair of underwear. Maybe you have too many bras or t-shirts or pants or other things. Nightgowns, robes, I don't know. I have too many of everything. And I am going to try whittling down some of my stuff. I do have 2 or 3 pair of pants that I wear all the time, just kind of around the house. So I'm sort of doing this, what I'm going to do with the socks, to wear them out, and then I can just get rid of them. Because once they have rips and tears that I can't mend easily, they're goners. And oftentimes I buy my clothes at the thrift store anyway, so they're already, you know, worn somewhat. Sometimes they're brand new, rarely. And so I need to give myself a break. It's like, it's okay to get rid of old stuff that isn't that good anymore. I'm giving myself permission. Let me know if you have trouble getting rid of things too like this. I don't know why I do. I guess it's because I think I'll need it. And obviously with as many socks as I have, I don't need to keep the old yucky ones. So please leave a comment and let me know. Make me feel better. Make me feel worse. You know, if you only have 5 or 6 pair of socks and you just wash them, good for you. I'm proud of you. I wish I could do something like that, but I cannot. I guess the good thing is I can go for weeks. I could go months without washing socks, and I'd still have some to wear. There's my silver lining. Woohoo! So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.